Hi guys, how are you? So this is for Sagittarius and we will be checking you versus them energy for the month of September. So you can think of a person in your mind for whom you want to check these energies for, and even if you don't have any specific person in your mind, we can just tap into your potential partner's energy. Okay, so let's begin. Let's see what do we have for Sagittarius. Oh, I do see a beautiful energy here. Okay, at least from your partner's side, or even if we are talking about a potential energy, whatever it may be. Let's begin with something which is going to be a main theme in the month of September. So, this is the month where a breakthrough is happening in your life. Okay, this is a month where a lot of karmic debris processing is going to take place. So, when I talk about karmic debris, see, the thing is, when it comes to your love life, Sag, there's a web that you are entangled in. Okay, now this web has certain, let's say, layers. Okay, so one layer is about your present life, the people, the kind of romantic partners that you have met in this lifetime. Then there's another layer to this web, which is subconsciously, if you're trying to seek something in your romantic relationship or specific partner that you're going that you are thinking about. Okay, and this in this not just subconscious, but I would say this layer involves people that you have met in this lifetime, and you have also met them in the past life. Okay, and then there's this third layer to this web, which involves complete past life karmic situations or people. Okay, so you might sometimes see different kind of unknown faces in your dreams, someone you haven't really met in this lifetime. So if something is something like this is happening, or let's say that you go to a grocery store, you go to a so let's say that you go to a grocery store and you meet someone, or you just see someone strange, and you see that, oh, why do I feel that I have seen this person? Why am I feeling this pull towards this person? So these kind of events can take place in the month of September, or probably they are taking place in the present also, like whenever you are watching this reading. So all of this is a part of a process, and this process is about removing any kind of karmic debris from your system, because I feel that whomsoever is watching this, you have a lot of karmic tension somewhere in the upper layers. Okay, in certain dimensions, because you have gathered a lot of karmic energy when it comes to your romantic space. बहुत सारे लोगों की एनर्जी फील हो रही है, बहुत ज़्यादा कार्मिक डेब्रिस वाली एनर्जी फील हो रही है. So I would really suggest you, before you date someone new, give some time to release this energy. Okay, and this you can also, I would suggest you to take, certain past life regression uh, therapies or something like that, because if you will do that, it will really help you. If you want, I can give you a person's name. I know a person who's really good into this thing called past life regression. So सम ऑफ यू डू नीड दिस, बिकॉज कुछ ऐसे मुझे पास्ट लाइफ के कुछ ऐसे सिनारियोज लग रहे हैं, कुछ ऐसे सिचुएशंस लग रहे हैं जहाँ पे एक क्लोजर नहीं मिला है कुछ लोगों के साथ, एंड दैट क्लोजर इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. ओके, फॉर एग्जाम्पल, लेट्स से दैट यू फेल्ट दैट देयर वाज सम काइंड ऑफ अ रोमांटिक स्ट्रिंग अटैच्ड टू अ person, but then you ghosted the person, or you kind of thought, oh, we are good as friends or whatever. So बहुत सारी ऐसी energies and different kind of energies in different manners with their own creative forms, and it's all gathered in this space okay, where a lot of karmic debris is there, and it's very important for you to release it, okay? And then you will see a completely new you, where you will know who you are. Right now, let me tell you one thing: you don't know who are you romantically, okay? You don't know yourself as a person when it comes to romance, because you haven't explored that part of yours yet, okay? And that will happen once you start cleaning all these karmic energies first, okay? Secondly, talking about your energy now, so we have Prince of Stars, we have Nine of Arrows, and we have Innocence also. So see, you are at this edge of starting a new journey in your life, okay? And this journey requires patience, trust, okay? This journey requires purity and innocence from you, okay? Because there's someone that you are attracting in your life, or you have in your life, who has blind trust on you. But for that, you will also have to, give your loyalty to this person, okay? You will also have to give your purity to this person, and for that, universe first wants to prepare you for that, okay? Because right now you are not on that journey where you are prepared for such a sacred connection that you are wanting in your life, Sag. So we have Prince of Stars, and we have Nine of Arrows as well. So I just feel that, I also feel that you are probably looking at some of your past, let's say, letters and gifts and that, this and that. Matlab, there's something to which you are attached to, okay? And you really think about those memories, you really think about those letters, you really think about those text messages or this and that a lot, and that really fucks up with your mind, okay? It's like you are on a hunt of an amazing relationship, but you're not ready for that hunt. It's okay. It's like your conscious mind tells you, or your ego tells you, that I'm ready for this hunt and I'm going to pick that golden deer for myself. But here you just keep thinking about the dogs you had in the past, the dogs you've met in the past, or the bitches you've met in the past, whatever. So that is the kind of energy that I can see here, and I do feel that there's some energy. I just feel that someone is trying to become your helper, someone is trying to become your supporter or something, but this person is also being very strategic, okay? They're not really wanting to help you. So let me tell you one thing: if there's someone who is showing that, oh, you can have that blind trust on me, oh, you can trust me, babe, this and that, please do not, okay? Because this person is using you to feed their ego. This person is helping you to seek some kind of validation from you. This person is not really here to help you or support you or take you out from some kind of a pit or blah blah blah, okay? This person is going to make things worse for you, okay? And this can be another part of this entire karmic debris thing, talking about the person's energy. So firstly, I do feel with your person energy, if you have anyone in your mind or whatever, and even if you don't, firstly, I do feel that you are dealing with an energy, especially you don't know this energy, okay? And this person is kind of indirectly sending you vibrations of healing and love, okay? Let's say, for example, someone who is like a guardian, someone who is like an angel in your life, okay? And probably this person doesn't even know you, but kya hota hai, when two souls are connected to each other, you don't really need that physical presence, you don't really need that physical appearance in your life, okay? Automatically something is going to happen, some magic is going to take place, where this person is going to send you healing energies, and वो energies आप तक ही आएंगी, वो किसी और तक नहीं आएंगी, चाहे वो किसी के साथ भी हो, okay? And I also see that there's a lot of wisdom wala energy. There's a beautiful emotional wisdom that I see that emotional maturity in this person's energy. Okay, this person is not going to be afraid when it comes to, so even if you have someone in your mind, Sag, or even if you're looking for something great in your life, just understand one thing, that the right person, if you are with the right person, even if you tell things about your past, even if you share anything uncomfortable with this person is going to be all ears, and this person is going to give you their time, the same kind of availability, the same kind of comfort. Like, it's like their action or behavior is not going to change just because you discussed about your ex, okay, or just because you discussed about something that bothers you. And if you're not with the right person, this person is going to get triggered, and they are going to pinpoint you. They are going to make you feel guilty for talking about certain things. They are going to make you regret about, certain topics that you brought into a conversation. So this is a big sign for you specifically, because I feel that you are needing real love into your life. You don't need a kandha or a shoulder where the other person is becoming a kandha for you, and they're just, following a certain selfish motive that they have. Okay, इट्स लाइक ये पर्सन आपसे बात करेंगे, ये पर्सन आपको कंफर्ट देना चाहेंगे, बट कम्प्लीटली आपको ऐसा फील होगा कि ये अलाइन नहीं कर रहे हैं, बिकॉज इनकी सेल्फिश इंटेंशंस होंगी, इनकी सेल्फिश मोटिव्स होंगे. ये ऐसा दिखाएंगे आपसे वरी लेना चाह रहे हैं, बट ये आपको एक्चुअली में और वरी देंगे. So this is the energy that I see. Okay, and there's a possibility that you are dealing with a potential partner. It's like you're manifesting someone new in your life, but at the same time you're dealing with someone old. I mean, you're already dealing with someone in your life. Okay, so there's this old versus new energy that I see. But whatever there is, I do feel that whomsoever this person is, them energy that I am picking here is, this person has a big heart. Okay, this person has a lot of space for you to rest in. Okay, so whenever you are with someone, even if you want to take a decision, just see, can you really trust this person? Do you really have that space where you can rest, where your mind can rest, where your heart can rest, where your body can rest? And तीनों में से अगर कुछ भी एक बॉक्स नहीं टिक हो रहा, this is not the person for you.